sitting in the protest for more than 12 hours. Students are now being removed from out here below the Karol Bagh railway station. You can see in the visuals over here that how the students are now being dragged away by the Delhi police. Announcements were initially made by Delhi police asking students to get removed from here. Now, one by one, the students are being picked up. Police is using force now. Students are being picked up now and are being asked to move away from over here. More and more students are being removed one by one. One by one, students are being removed. You can see in the visuals over here that definitely this scuffle has broken out between the students, protesting students, and the police staff that have been present over here. So definitely the situation somewhere or the other is rising. The temperatures are rising over here. One by one, students are being removed. You can see the kind of force that is being applied. Not only this, but also Vahans like the Vraj Vahan and everything is all deployed over here. The DCP of this area is making announcements, asking students to get away from this spot. They are saying that since this is the main road, students will not be allowed to gather over here. Apart from this, rapid action forces along with tear guns, all of them have been deployed over here. They are being pushed back. The police has now started pushing back students, whereas the students continue to remain adamant. They say that they will not move until and unless someone from the authorities, someone from the MCD comes and speaks to them and listen to the issues that are being raised to them, because the issue is not just about students dying, it's about the basic civic necessities that are not being followed over here. Remember, these are not students from any political party. They have no political affiliations. These are the future bureaucrats of this country who are on the streets right now, who are demanding justice. You can see the amount of police that has been deployed over here on the ground. The number of police officials or the security officials has definitely outnumbered the number of students who are present over here. Now, this march is being carried out. Vajra Vahans are in place. Students are being pushed back. Few of them being dragged away from this spot, giving out this message that the road should be cleared. But the larger message that still remains, who is responsible for these deaths? What are the students demanding? Are these demands way too much for the administration to not fulfill? These are some of the demands, these are some of the questions that we are also asking. But at this point in time, neither the administration has any answer to this, neither the students have any hope from the administration. You can see now how force has now been deployed over here, making sure that the students are pushed away from here. Over the next few hours, it is expected that this entire area, this is the area in which the protests were happening. Now you can see the aftermath. The entire road has now been cleared by the police. It remains to be seen if at all the demands of the students will be met and justice will be given to the family members of those who has lost their loved ones in this very, very tragic incident that has happened due to civic apathy.